and there's one bad news that I left my laptop back there. Oh shit. So I Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. And today, as the title does not say, I don't even know what the title says. So the day has just started. It is 10 o'clock. I woke up, changed. I took a bath, wore my jeans and my new Tommy t-shirt. So this is looking so good on me, sorry. So right now we're going for the puja in an hour or so. So I'm gonna go down, have my breakfast, and my mommy's brother has come, so meet them, play with them or do something. But I'm gonna take you guys, oh it's 10:30 actually. You guys to the puja, the way and everything. Okay, see you. Also guys, I forgot to tell you that today is my mother's birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. So we're right now here. So we don't know what we'll do, but most probably we'll just make a cake here. So I'm so excited. Can you see those plants above me? They're so pretty, right? I know. See, we have so many games out here, from Battleship. What's this? Puzzle, Pictureka, Chow Pat, Picnic. Oh god. So many games. Let's check the construction. Let's check what's happening at the construction site. Oh my gosh. There's so much of noise. Gosh. What's happening here? So they dug it even more. Look at this. They dug it even more. And now they're painting the pillar thing. So they dug it so much. Wow. But now after a few days, maybe a month, the upper part of the house will start. So this is basically my last trip and today we are going, I think. How is my new shirt looking? I really like it. Now I'm like, I want to sit in some car. I'm not going to sit in any car because yesterday's story. Okay, so now we're going to the society where the house is for the puja. Let's go. Okay, so we're here at the society. It's still getting constructed and my mom is going to shift in November here, but it's still raw. Look at it. I can't tell you the society's name, but yeah, look at it. Okay guys, so I am at the house. As you saw, it's so rough. There is so much of stone which has to be put. A lot has to be done. So right now I'm just in the balcony. I'm just roaming around. But I'm so happy that the house is so big. It is actually very big. Look at this. The cupboards and the few things are all ready made. This room is almost done. Look at this. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna go down and see everything. So even I don't know what's happening. I will get lost here. Literally lost. Whoa. Oh my gosh, such a big dressing room. It's basically a walk-in closet. Wow. Nothing is ready, even the false ceiling or anything. Downstairs it's made, but guys, compare the balconies to our balconies. These are so much better and bigger. Ours are so tiny. Oh my god. Look at the house. So that's gonna be the kitchen. This is gonna be a washing room. I don't know what this is gonna be. This IDK. Then this is gonna be the drawing room, which is not yet made. Here are gonna be cupboards. This is gonna be my nanny's room, I think, or washroom, whatever. This is another room. Then this is my nanny's room. Wow. Okay, let me go up, otherwise people will start searching for me. That's the entrance. As usual, I am getting bored in this puja. And what is that? Washroom. There's so many rooms getting done. Look at this. So this entire row till there is ours. Also guys, you can see the entire Aligarh from here almost. I'm just finding my nanny's house, but I can't. See, there's so much of dirt which people pollute with. That's why education is necessary, and every person does not get education. Guys, so we have ordered. We couldn't make a cake for my mother's birthday because my sister is going to Noida to meet her Mosi. So we have ordered the cake instead of making it, and I'll show you the flats which are getting made, and my mommy's flat will be much different. Look at this flat. So this is the normal, usual flat. Guys, so we came back from the puja and now we're going back home and after eating our lunch. So the cake will be coming in sometime. So we'll cut the cake and then go back home because we have to reach. And then today we can meet everyone. So I am so happy. Hopefully we reach by 8:30. And now let's go eat our lunch because I'm hungry. So the cake is here and now let's cut it and celebrate birthdays. Well, now my mother is old, so she doesn't like celebrating her birthday, but my brother ordered it.
Happy
Okay guys, so now we're leaving and I forgot my charger. I'll use my dad's and let's go now. Okay, so now we left like a long time ago, like 1.5 hours ago. We're gonna take some like 1.5 hours more to reach our house. It's literally night time now, and we left at 6 o'clock, and now we're gonna reach at 9. And there's one bad news that I left my laptop back there. Oh shit. So I don't know when this video will come because I can't edit it. I don't know if I can edit it on my father's laptop, if I have the license of the video editor or anything. So I am sorry if this vlog comes late. And we're almost there at Noida, and I'm feeling very sad because it had some of my clothes in there. Most importantly, my German book and my laptop from which I edit all my videos. I am not able to airdrop from my phone. I don't know how to. I can't download anything on the iPad because it's the school iPad. Now I don't know what I'll do. We got stuck on the toll for 15 minutes. Now we came on EP. So we cut the cake and everything. We got some for ourselves, and there's so many sweets. Look at this. This is one thing. This is one thing. This is one thing. There are more. This is one. There is so much. I forgot 2 things. One charger and the most important thing, my laptop bag. So what I thought was that when my stuff was going, so my laptop bag wasn't in the drawing room. I kept it there. So then I thought it's gone in the car. So I was like, okay, it's fine. Let it go in the what do you call it? Dicky. And then there we'll get it. So because I don't even need the laptop, and then an hour, no, not an hour later, 40 minutes later, my mama told me that my laptop bag was left there. So be responsible. I am so hungry, so I'm having this burger. Okay, let's try. Today there was a lot of sugar, but it's only today. It's not a burger. I don't know. I couldn't show you the terrace because I didn't go there. For sure I will go next time. Whenever. Well, I won't go next time. Maybe there's no terrace only. We are almost there, like only half an hour left, and I'm so happy but sad at the same point. You know why? And yeah, I'm gonna go home. I can't meet Amigo because it's already 8:30 something. We'll reach by 9:30, so no point. Then I'm gonna go home, see what I will do with the editing book, and then sleep because I have to wake up early tomorrow and start doing all my homework because I've done none. Now let's have some water because I'm thirsty and there's barely water left, and I'm hungry also. We told the maid to make food. Okay, so now let's drink water because I'm thirsty and hungry, but I told the maid to make water, like food. So she's gonna make the food when I reach home. Lol. And Let's have water. We're almost at the Cyber City flyover thing. After we enter that,
बिजनेस नहीं है
life is gonna be so easy. I'm just excited
कंट्रोल नहीं
to go home. Even after a day,
कोई कंट्रोल
I miss my house. I wanna go home now.
यूएस ट्रिप लग रहे हैं
Okay, so we are at the underpass now and we reached.
कोई चाइना से ले रहे
Yay, we reached. I am just missing my laptop.
ये जी इतनी
After 3 continuous hours of sitting, we finally reached. Now my legs are gonna hurt so bad, I'm telling you, when I will get up. And we're home. Yay! Now just enter in our society.
क्या तुम्हारी टांग टूट गई
Wow. Okay, let's go. Finally reach. Oh my gosh, my legs are feeling so bad, but we're home, sweet home. Okay, so these people have come down to take out the stuff from the car. Okay, so this is the amount of stuff we got. Oh my gosh, so much. Ugh. There is no green bag, as I'm so sad. Finally, after entering the lift, I'm feeling so good. So guys, that's all for today. I didn't go to meet Amigo because there's no point, he must have gone now. Tomorrow I'm going to go meet him, do my homework and everything. So see you guys tomorrow in my next vlog. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell me how you like my vlog series, and I'm sorry for the vlog coming late, if it comes late, and I'm gonna try to edit now. Okay, I'm tired now, so I'll see you guys. I want to rest now. I'll change my clothes and everything. So I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Stay safe, stay home. Like, share, comment, subscribe, ring the notification bell. Bye guys.